Healing is a deeply personal journey, and for many, the idea of achieving permanent healing may seem like a distant dream. But what if the power to heal yourself is already within you? By tapping into the energy that lies dormant within your body, mind, and spirit, true restoration is not just possible, it's attainable. This video explores how you can unlock this healing potential and restore balance to your life. Let's look into the incredible steps that can guide you toward a permanent transformation. The foundation of permanent healing starts with understanding that your body is inherently equipped to heal itself. Just like a cut on your skin heals naturally over time, your inner energy can work to restore harmony within. Often, we forget that our bodies are constantly at work, fighting off illness, repairing tissues, and balancing out the fluctuations that occur day to day. The key to tapping into this power lies in recognizing that the body's natural healing process is not just physical but emotional and mental as well. To achieve permanent healing, you must trust in the body's ability to restore itself when given the proper conditions, both internally and externally. This healing process requires you to shift your focus from external solutions to internal awareness. Instead of relying solely on medications or treatments, you need to foster a sense of self-awareness that allows your energy to flow freely, allowing you to align with the natural healing rhythm of your body. It's about treating the root cause, not just the symptoms, and being in tune with the subtle messages your body communicates every day. When you honor these messages, you open up a space where healing can flourish from within. Understanding the body's potential for self-repair also means accepting the importance of the mind-body connection. Emotional trauma, stress, and negative thought patterns often create blockages that prevent your energy from flowing freely. Therefore, your mental and emotional states have a direct impact on your body's healing. A shift in perspective, accepting positivity, gratitude, and forgiveness, can directly enhance the body's ability to restore itself. You must also recognize that healing is not an overnight process. It's about creating an environment where your body can continually work towards full restoration, even when challenges arise. This takes patience and trust in the healing process, which requires conscious effort and an understanding of the power of perseverance. Self-love is one of the most powerful tools in achieving permanent healing. When you love and accept yourself, you naturally create a space where healing can take place. Self-love is not just about pampering yourself or feeling good in the moment. It's about cultivating a deep sense of respect and care for your entire being, mind, body, and spirit. This respect forms the foundation for every other aspect of your healing journey. When you practice self-love, you're not just focusing on the superficial. You're acknowledging your strengths, accepting your flaws, and forgiving yourself for past mistakes. You're letting go of the self-criticism that often holds you back and replacing it with positive affirmations. These affirmations shape the way you view yourself and can create lasting change on a cellular level. By consistently practicing self-love, you help remove energetic blockages and clear the path for healing to occur. Self-love also means giving yourself permission to heal. It's easy to ignore or push through pain because we think we have to be strong or keep moving forward. But healing requires us to pause, rest, and acknowledge the areas that need attention. This requires vulnerability and the willingness to honor our emotional needs. By giving yourself the space to heal without judgment, you create an environment where healing can be complete and long-lasting. Self-love promotes resilience. As you nurture yourself, you develop the strength to overcome life's challenges. This inner strength boosts your immune system, encourages emotional balance, and enhances your mental clarity. The more you nurture yourself with love, the more equipped you become to face life's inevitable difficulties with grace and ease. This resilience is key to achieving permanent healing, as it empowers you to continue healing no matter what life throws your way. Energy healing practices, such as meditation, Reiki, or chakra balancing, can greatly enhance the body's natural ability to heal. These practices help to clear any blockages in the energy pathways of the body, allowing energy to flow freely and restore balance. Energy healing is based on the concept that everything is energy. Our bodies, emotions, thoughts, and even the world around us are all composed of energy. When we experience emotional stress, physical trauma, or mental strain, it can create disruptions in our energy flow, leading to illness or imbalance. By engaging in energy healing practices, you can begin to clear these blockages, allowing your body to function optimally. Meditation, for example, helps to calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. This state of relaxation is vital for healing because it signals to the body that it's safe to repair and restore itself. Similarly, practices like Reiki tap into universal energy, facilitating healing on a deep level by addressing the root cause of any illness or imbalance. One of the most effective ways to use energy healing is by practicing mindfulness. Being mindful means paying attention to your body's signals, being present with your emotions, and using this awareness to guide your healing process. When you can tune into the flow of energy within you, you become more adept at identifying areas that need attention. You can then direct your energy toward healing these areas, whether through meditation, visualization, or other energy-focused practices. Energy healing also promotes a sense of deep relaxation, which can activate the body's parasympathetic nervous system. This is the system responsible for rest and recovery. When you engage in energy healing practices, you're helping your body enter this state of relaxation, which is essential for long-term healing and recovery. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to restore balance and harmony. Forgiveness plays a central role in the healing process, and it's often one of the most overlooked aspects. When we hold onto grudges, anger, or resentment, we are carrying emotional weight that not only drains our energy but also contributes to physical illness. Holding on to negative emotions creates blockages in the body's energy system, preventing healing from occurring. Forgiveness, on the other hand, clears these blockages, allowing healing to flow freely. Forgiving others and ourselves is one of the most freeing acts we can engage in. It's not about excusing hurtful behavior or forgetting past trauma, it's about freeing ourselves from the hold that pain has over us. When we forgive, we release the emotional charge that keeps us stuck in the past, allowing ourselves to heal and move forward. This release is often felt on a physical level, as the tension in the body dissipates, leading to a greater sense of ease and well-being. Forgiveness also creates space for love to flow, both for ourselves and others. When we forgive, we open our hearts, which helps us connect to our true nature and brings healing energy into our lives. This energy amplifies the healing process, restoring balance and harmony to every part of our being. By practicing forgiveness regularly, we allow ourselves to let go of past hurts, making room for new, healthier patterns to emerge. Forgiveness is not always easy, but it is incredibly powerful. It takes courage and compassion to release old wounds, but the freedom that comes with it is worth it. When we forgive, we let go of the past, allowing the present moment to be filled with peace and healing. This act of letting go is an essential step in achieving permanent healing, as it clears the path for the body, mind, and spirit to restore themselves fully. Gratitude is another powerful tool that can aid in the healing process. When we express gratitude, we shift our focus from what's lacking or what's wrong to what's good and whole in our lives. This shift in perspective can have profound effects on our health, both physically and emotionally. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can lower stress, improve immune function, and even increase happiness. When we focus on gratitude, we align ourselves with positive energy, which supports the body's natural healing processes. Gratitude is a healing vibration. It acts as a magnet for more positive energy, which is essential for the restoration of health and well-being. When we thank ourselves for the progress we've made, the lessons we've learned, and the strength we've shown, we empower ourselves to continue on the path of healing. Gratitude helps us acknowledge the small victories along the way, reinforcing the belief that we are capable of achieving lasting transformation. Gratitude can help us build resilience. Life is full of challenges, but when we approach each challenge with a sense of gratitude, we can view it as an opportunity for growth. Gratitude helps us remain grounded and focused on what we can control, allowing us to handle adversity with greater ease and confidence. By incorporating gratitude into our daily routine, we shift our energy from scarcity to abundance, which accelerates the healing process and fosters a sense of well-being. Gratitude also creates a positive feedback loop. When we focus on what we are grateful for, we naturally attract more things to be thankful for. This flow of positive energy supports our healing journey, helping us stay focused, motivated, and empowered. Practicing gratitude daily is a simple yet powerful tool that can have a lasting impact on our health and vitality. Achieving permanent healing is a journey that involves mind, body, and spirit working in harmony. By understanding your body's natural ability to heal, practicing self-love, incorporating energy healing techniques, forgiving, and accepting gratitude, you're laying the foundation for long-lasting restoration. Trust in the process, and know that healing isn't linear, it's a dynamic and evolving experience. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content that helps you tap into your body's natural healing power and create lasting transformation.